Hello, and thank you for calling the ShihTzuClub.com. For dog training, press 1. For dog grooming, press 2. For dog clothes and accessories, press 3. You have reached the fashion editorial room. We're sorry, but everyone is busy wrapping up the next issue of the Shih Tzu Club news. Please leave a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible.
Hello, Kaylin? Kaylin, pick up. This is your boss. Kaylin, I know you're busy, but we need to talk. Listen, I know you made a virtual shopping channel on YouTube for dog clothes. I think you might be in violation of your employment agreement. Give me a call as soon as you get this message.